Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today learn lecture 7. Lecture 7 is we are learning a command is circle. Solidworks all commands learn easily. Today commands learn is circle. Circle is perfect learning here. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, at first we are going to Solidworks software open. At first this is a Solidworks software. At first parts, okay, and sketch point, click here already. At first select a plane, any plane, no problem, top plane, front plane, right plane. I select a front plane. Okay, today discuss here a circle. Circle is circle and perimeter circle. Two type circle is today discuss here. First is circle and second is perimeter circle. At first select a circle, then any center point draw here. At first origin point, yeah, any other point, but today origin point select, click here, and a rectangle drawing. Drag big size, small size, any rectangle, any circle draw here. Okay, right click and remove. Mention any dimension, a smart dimension. Click here and select this point and this point. Diameter is 100 mm. All dimension is mm. Already select here millimeter gram second. This is a dimension 100 mm, and I think a dimension is change. This double click here and dimension is 120, change here. Okay, no problem. Double click here and dimension another edit form available. Okay, not any dimension change, click exit here. Okay, and other circle is perimeter circle. Okay, this is a perimeter circle, any point and origin point, click here, no problem. I select any other point, select, click here, first, second and third point. I select third point, then a rectangle is ready. Okay, another practice is so here perimeter circle, first, second and third is click here, circle is ready. Okay, another circle, first, second and third anywhere, no problem, anywhere, click here, third is select. Okay, this is a perimeter circle. Okay, this exit here, right click and select. Okay, and mention any dimension. Okay, this is dimension, a smart dimension mention. This is a click here and dimension is 50. Okay, but this is a blue color and this is a black color, both is different. Blue color is not defined, not any coordinate defined, dimension is defined, or this is a perfect origin point is center point, and this is 120 is diameter. Both is defined, then select a define, then this is a black color is defined, this is undefined. Dimension is defined but origin point is not defined. Then select this point origin, and this origin is okay 120, then okay, and okay, another is dimension is this here, and dimension is this here. Single line and double line. Double line is mention 50. Okay, this dimension is so here 60. Okay, this dimension is one line available and two line is available, no problem. Okay guys, circle is defined, and another perimeter circle is a origin point. Click here. Okay, this is a not perimeter, this is the first point, second point and third point. Okay, this is not origin point. This point and control and this origin point and coincident merge, this the points cannot be merged. Okay, already perimeter, this point, this perimeter center point and origin point not merge. Okay, this point is remove here, delete, this is delete, then this point control, this origin point is merge. Okay, okay guys, this point and this dimension is delete here. Okay, okay, this point and this origin point is click and merge. Okay, merge here. Okay, okay, this point and this control and this point merge. Okay, okay, this all point is blue color. This point is not define origin, but this point and this point is merge coincident, but all define is okay. Okay guys, circle is defined. Guys, 7 lecture is complete and lecture 8 is coming soon. Guys, don't forget subscribe, like and share this channel. Okay guys, thank you.